Magic triangle practice. What you're doing for each of these problems is you're going to write the formula that's given to you into what's called a magic triangle. This just helps you to know when you're solving for one of these variables, do you need to multiply or divide to get your answer? If two things are next to each other, you multiply. If one thing is above another, like D and V or D and T, then you divide top by bottom. So as you can see, the example says velocity equals distance divided by time. So since distance is divided by time, distance should go on top of time. So I put D on top and T on bottom, which leaves V to go in the last spot that was empty. In order to figure out how to write the formulas, if I cover up each of these with my finger, I'll know what to do with the other two. So if I'm solving for V, I'm going to cover up V, and I know that I would have to do D over T, distance divided by time. So V equals D over T. If I were solving for distance, I cover up distance, and since V and T are next to each other, I multiply them. D equals V times T. If I'm solving for time, I cover up time, and I do distance divided by velocity, D divided by V. Do the same thing with these. Remember, if they're multiplied, they go next to each other. If you divide them, one should be on top of the other.